5 steps towards sustainable living. Eradicate soft drinks and chips from your life. They are unhealthy and contribute to a lot of waste. According to research, Coca-Cola and Pepsi companies are the second main contributors to plastic pollution. Number 2 on the list is: say no to single-use plastic. Use metal straws instead of plastic straws, and also avoid using plastic bottles and carry your own bottles while hanging out. Number 3 is: avoiding canned juices and food. Canned food is not good for health as it contains many harmful substances and generates a lot of waste. And instead of canned juice, prefer drinking fresh juice. 4. Growing vegetables at home. Fresh vegetables have better nutrition. And most of the vegetables are sold in single-use plastic bags. So by growing vegetables at home, one can reduce the consumption of plastics. Last but not least is using bamboo toothbrushes. Plastic toothbrushes are used by every individual, and hence thrown away after using it for a short time. Bamboo toothbrushes are an eco-friendly alternative.